that we are not operators. I'm just a craftsman. I have a craftsman job that we work from 6:30 to 3. We don't work 12-hour days like the operators do out here. Operators are the ones that get all the overtime and all that because they on shift work. We only work from 6:30 to 3. And the only time we do get overtime if the plant goes down or if like this freeze happens. We all hands was on deck to get this plant back up and running. And I showed Deja my check
Okay.
stub where I had moved a decent amount of money. That
Okay.
that month.
Do you have medical insurance available for this child?
Yes, that was one of our things. All my kids.
How much would that cost for you to add the child to your insurance?
I'm not sure. I'm paying like $350 right now. I'm not sure how much would it be. $350 to $300 right now.
And is that a month?
I don't think that would be like they take that out. They take right at $300 every paycheck out my check on insurance.
Okay. And how often?
Medical.
How often do you get paid?
Bi-weekly. I get twice a month.
And how many other people are on that insurance?
3, 6, 7, like 7, 8 of my other kids. They are over 8. I mean, I got 2 that's under 8. That's 12 and 13. I got my 18-year-old, and I got my 17-year-old, and I got it'll be 16-year-old on my insurance, and myself. What is it? That's about 7 of us, and my wife.
So 8 total?
Yes.
And how many of those 8 are under the age of 18?
Not including my wife, it's 6 of them. Let's see, 1, 2. 3,
how many children do you have under the age of 18 that are not included in this order?
6 children.
And all of those are under the age of 18?
Yes, including Journey, yes.
Okay, but I was asking that aren't in this order. So not in this order, you have 7
not in this order. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids.
Okay, so you have 5 children, not including Journey, that are under the age of 18.
Mom wants to move to Houston for family and better opportunities. The judge immediately points out that the law prioritizes the child's access to both parents, not mom's lifestyle changes. Unless she can prove the move directly benefits the child, job, school, scholarship, the request won't fly.
Adopted children under court orders do. That's why the state keeps asking, are they your biological kids? Do you pay support for them? Every yes lowers the percentage applied here. But here's the catch. Claims alone aren't enough. Courts want certified copies of existing orders and proof of payment. Without that paperwork, judges default to what's officially documented. For viewers, if you're balancing support across households, understand that the numbers won't vanish. They shift, but only if you can prove your other obligations. Loose testimony won't protect your wallet. Documents will.
Yes.
Okay. And do all of those children live with you?
2 of them do.
And then
the rest, the other 2, they sometimes they visit me at my apartment in down here.
Okay, so 2 children live with you, and then you have 3 others. Are you ordered by a court to pay child support for those other 3?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, I don't have anything further of Mr. Randall. I'd like to call Ms. Finch.
Go ahead.
Ms. Finch, can you state your name, please?
Sabrina Finch.
And you work for the Office of the Attorney General?
Yes, ma'am.
And how long have you worked for them?
A couple of years.
And what is your job title?
Financial specialist.
And as part of your job duties, do you have access and information from employers regarding our customers' wages.
Yes.
And do you have that information for Mr. Everett?
Yes, I do.
And what quarters have you looked at for his wages?
First quarter of 2021, fourth quarter of 2020, third quarter of 2020, and second quarter of 2020, 12 months.
Okay, in the second quarter of 2020, how much did he make?
He made $38,633.50.
Whoa.
Quarter. No.
I need Miss Finch.
For that quarter. I'm sorry.
No, I just heard three different figures.
No, I'm sorry. I was trying to think. For the second quarter of 2020, he made $34,822.58.
And for the third quarter of 2020, how much did he make?
$40,563.71.
And for the fourth quarter of 2020, how much did he make?
$31,356.36.
And the first quarter of 2021, how much did he make?
$38,858.26.
And so what was his total gross for the last 12 months?
The judge even floats a compromise. Allow mom to move, but discount dad's support since he'd shoulder travel costs for visitation. That's a rare but practical example of how courts sometimes balance money with parenting logistics.